Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use shortcut key to insert column in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the column. So when you will select the column, so the new column will be inserted on the left side of the selected column. So after that use a shortcut key. So press Ctrl Shift and plus. So you can see the new column is inserted on the left side of the selected column. So guys, in this way you can use shortcut key Ctrl Shift and plus to insert any column in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.